So in this talk, I am going to illustrate the current status of screen reader support in Collabora Online. The problem we had to solve has been that a browser is not able to provide accessibility information about the document loaded in Collabora Online, since what is sent by the LibreOffice core to the online client is just a collection of images. Our solution has been to implement a class named Lock Document Focus Listener, which is able to listen for any accessibility events emitted by the LibreOffice core. This result has been achieved by implementing the X-Accessible Event Listener interface, which allows an instance of our class to listen for any event emitted by any accessible object belonging to the accessibility tree for the document. In fact, when accessibility is enabled in LibreOffice, an accessibility tree is created whose nodes are accessibility objects representing the document itself and also each kind of document content, such as paragraph, image, tables. Once registered, a Lock Document Focus Listener instance is able to receive and to handle several kinds of accessibility events, such as the one shown in the scheme, where is receiving accessibility events regarding a paragraph, such as when it's get focused, when the text cursor position is changed, when the paragraph is modified, or when the text slash is modified. Lock Document Focus Listener is able to handle all this kind of events and to extract accessibility information and to send them to the online client as JSON message. Here you can see the structure of the JSON message that is sent to the online client when the paragraph gets focused. Content is just the paragraph text, the position is the position of the text cursor, start and end are the start and end position of the text selection. So how all this information, accessibility information, is used by the online client for providing screen reader support. First off, in online, we have an editable and invisible div element, which is used for receiving text input from the user. Anyway, we can't forward text input to the LibreOffice core as is, because handling or type of text input is a complex task, and moreover, there are a lot of corner cases. So there is a special class named text input that compute the text input to be sent to the LibreOffice core. In order to provide screen reader support, we implemented a new class named accessibility text input, which is able to not only which is able beyond to listen to handle user input, also to handle the message received by the Lock Document Focus Listener class in order to populate the div element with the content of the focused paragraph, to set the text cursor position and also the text selection if there is any text selection. In this way, the browser can append to the accessibility tree for the web page including the document an accessible text node, which can be used by the screen reader for extracting information about the focused paragraph. The solution allows the screen reader to report a paragraph content when it gets focused, keystrokes, character carry position, and also fragment of text when it gets selected or unselected. So how to turn on or off screen reader support? That can be done at the server level through the accessibility section in cool WSD XML configuration file, and also per view through the screen reading toggle button under the Help tab. This screen reading button state is saved locally in the browser storage and can be restored on next session. Moreover, it's available only when accessibility is enabled at server level. Beyond the basic feature that I have illustrated so far, our class is able to handle several kinds of accessibility events for several kinds of text content, for several kinds of document content, such as in
yeah, not this one.
Shapes, spreadsheet cells, tables, and they are shown in this short video.
Online Google Chrome. Online document. Presentation title selected. Has text, Collabora Online. Presentation subtitle. Editing activated. We provide you with all the tools to keep your data secure, without compromising on FEATURES. Graphic selected. Graphic unselected. Rounded rectangle selected. Has text, your private office suite in the cloud. Bring online Google Chrome. Online HELLO. A2 selected. Blank. A4 selected. Number. Blank. A6 selected. 2. A10. Editing activated. 1. 6. B10 selected. 36. O.